Mars is a world of extremes, featuring the tallest volcano, the longest canyon, and the largest dust storms in the solar system. Its history is so different from Earth's that it offers many strange and fascinating facts. Phobos is on a collision course with Mars. One of Mars's two moons, Phobos, orbits closer to its host planet than any other moon in the solar system. This proximity means tidal forces are slowly pulling it closer. In about 50 million years, it will either collide with Mars or be torn apart by gravity to form a ring around the planet. You could jump 3 times higher on Mars. Mars is only about half the size of Earth and has a much weaker gravitational pull, just 38% of Earth's gravity. This lower gravity means a person who weighs 100 pounds on Earth would weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. The Martian sky is not blue. Because Mars is covered in rust-colored dust, the dust particles suspended in the atmosphere scatter light in a way that makes the daytime sky appear a pinkish red or tan color. Conversely, sunsets on Mars appear blue. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is a gargantuan, extinct shield volcano that stands 16 miles high and spans 374 miles in diameter. This makes it roughly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Mars has dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. Because Mars's atmosphere is extremely thin, the solar wind can easily heat pockets of air and create winds that kick up rusty dust particles. These can escalate into planet-wide dust storms that last for months. In 2018, one such storm ended the life of NASA's Opportunity rover by blocking sunlight from reaching its solar panels. Mars has the longest canyon in the solar system. The Valles Marineris canyon system is more than 2,500 miles long and can reach depths of up to 6 miles. To put its size in perspective, it would stretch across the continental United States, and it is 10 times bigger than Earth's Grand Canyon. Mars lost its atmosphere because its core solidified. Billions of years ago, Mars had a thick atmosphere, liquid water, and a protective magnetic field. But because Mars is much smaller than Earth, its core cooled and solidified much more quickly. Without a molten core to generate a magnetic field, the solar wind stripped away most of its atmosphere over millions of years. A compass is useless on Mars. Since Mars has no global magnetic field, it's impossible to use a magnetic compass for navigation. However, the southern hemisphere of the planet still retains some localized magnetism from its ancient magnetic field.